Imagine standing in the heart of the Scottish Highlands, where rolling green hills stretch endlessly beneath an open sky. Cutting gracefully through this wild landscape is a remarkable structure, the Glenfinnan Viaduct. Built in the late 19th century, this sweeping railway bridge is not only an engineering masterpiece, but also a symbol of human ambition meeting untouched nature. The viaduct curves elegantly across the valley, supported by a series of tall concrete arches that rise confidently above forests and streams below. Each arch tells a story of craftsmanship from a time when railways were transforming remote regions, connecting people, places, and possibilities. As the train approaches, the atmosphere changes. The sound of wheels gliding along steel rails echoes softly through the hills. Slowly, the locomotive enters the viaduct, following its gentle curve as if tracing the land's natural contours. From above, the view is breathtaking, a moving line of carriages suspended between sky and earth. When a steam train passes, a plume of white smoke rises into the air, drifting lazily over the green slopes. It feels like stepping back in time, to an era when travel was as much about the journey as the destination. This moment captures a rare harmony between motion and stillness, where modern life slows down to admire something timeless. Surrounding the viaduct, the highlands unfold in layers of color and texture. Patches of forest cluster in the valleys, while open grasslands climb the hillsides. Sunlight dances across the landscape, shifting with passing clouds and creating a living painting that never looks the same twice. The Glenfinnan Viaduct is more than a bridge. It is a gateway to stories, of history, of adventure, and of imagination. It has inspired travelers, photographers, and filmmakers from around the world, becoming an icon of scenic rail journeys. Here, nature and engineering exist in perfect balance. The train moves on, the hills remain, and the moment lingers, a quiet reminder that some places are not just seen, but deeply felt.
The palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue, grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday.